Students, good morning. Today we will discuss about the cytoplasm and the cell organelles. Cytoplasm. It is the semi-fluid medium present inside the plasma membrane. It makes about 70% of the cell and it is composed of water, salts and organic molecules. It contains many specialized cell organelles suspended in it. The cytoplasm, as I told you, that it is a semi-fluid medium present inside the plasma membrane and it contains many important cell organelles performing specialized functions. We will discuss one by one the cell organelles present in the cytoplasm. The first is the endoplasmic reticulum. We write it as ER, endoplasmic reticulum. It is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets extending from the outer nuclear membrane to the plasma membrane. It is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You can see the figure endoplasmic reticulum. This is the nucleus. Just outside the nucleus, the endoplasmic reticulum is present. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is present in all the cells except prokaryotes and mammalian erythrocytes, that is the RBC. Ribosomes, if attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, give a rough appearance. You can see the ribosomes attached with the endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, it gives a rough appearance and it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. And if ribosomes are not attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, it appears smooth and it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, we write it as RER, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum, we represent it as SER. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now, what are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum? It gives mechanical support to the cell. It serves as a channel for transport of materials. The first function is that it gives mechanical support to the cell. It gives a structural framework to the cell and it serves as a channel for the transport of materials. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, since it has ribosomes attached to the surface, it helps in the synthesis of protein. Ribosomes, in the previous class I told you that ribosomes are called protein factory of the cell. Ribosomes help in the synthesis of proteins. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they have ribosomes and ribosomes help in the synthesis of proteins, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they do not have ribosomes and they help in the synthesis of lipids. So rough endoplasmic reticulum, they have ribosomes and help in the synthesis of proteins, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they do not have ribosomes and they help in the synthesis of lipids. Together they form the cell membrane or plasma membrane, and this is called membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis is very important. Remember that what is membrane biogenesis? The ribosomes attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum help in the synthesis of proteins, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the synthesis of lipids, and together they help in the synthesis of cell membrane. As I told you that the cell membrane or plasma membrane, it is mainly made up of cellulose and the other components are protein and lipids. So the proteins and lipids, they help in the synthesis of cell membrane, and this is called membrane biogenesis.